Hello, I'm just going to show how to convert pictures from the ESU website for trains and locos, etc. and convert them and put them onto Train Controller. That's what I do anyway. So it converts bitmap files, which are on the ESU website, into YAR files, YAR I think they are, for Train Controller. You can buy a package which is a bolt-on package for Train Controller, which has got thousands of images, but I think it's about 30 or 40 euro, or even 50 euro. It's gone up over the years. I've never bought it. I always do it like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to load up a picture of the Flying Scotsman. At the moment, the default picture on here on Train Control is just some sort of American loco. And the Flying Scotsman obviously isn't on the program software, the pictures of it anyway. So to do this, you've got to have access to the ESU website. Obviously, using the ECOS control system, you will have access to download sound files and pictures. And the ECOS bitmap images that are on the ECOS for all your locos are the same size format for Train Controller. So I'll go onto Train Controller, log in, go to Icon Blazer, or whatever it's called, click on that, and then what I'm going to do, search Flying Scotsman. I'm not sure if it'll do it. I'll just put flying, see what happens. There you go, Flying Scotsman. So I want to download that image. That first one looks really nice there. So all I do is download that, click on download. Now that's downloaded. So what I do, that goes to my downloads file. Let's get out of that. Let's get out of that. You can see it there, the picture of it has gone to my downloads. So what you've got to do then is create another file on whatever drive you've got. This is on my C drive. I've got one called ECOS Pictures. And this is to do the conversion. So what you've got to do is drag the Flying Scotsman format, drag and drop it. Sorry, this is the bitmap file from the ECOS. It's got to be converted to a YAR file, I think it is, for Train Controller. Drag and drop it into the ECOS Pictures file. Then what you got to do is download Train Animator from Train Controller, and it's a program that for manipulating pictures and making up your own pictures and doing all sorts of stuff. It's quite good actually. So you wait for that to load up, which it's going to do. So what you're going to do from that program, you're going to access your ECOS Pictures file on whatever drive you've got, and then you're going to convert them using this little program called Train Animator, which you can see there. There's the last one I did. So there we go. And so in Train Animator, you just select your ECOS Pictures file, and then what I'm looking for is a Flying Scotsman, which is it should be there somewhere. Let's have another look. You might have to refresh. Oh, there it is. All you do is double click on that and it loads it up there, and it's just exactly the ECOS format of picture is exactly the same. It's brilliant. It's the same size as what you want for Train Controller, as you can see there. So all I'm going to do there, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to save that file, save as. That'll bring up there, and this is where it converts it all. Just put Flying Scotsman. There we go, Flies. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Anyway, I'm trying to do the camera as well as everything else here. So save it, and that'll save it into the Train Controller file system. And that's it, it's converted. And get out of the Train Animator. Go back into Train Controller. All we do then is go to edit mode, right click on the cab that you want to change the picture of, go to properties, go to general, and then you can see the picture there of the American logo. I want to change that to Flying Scotsman, so go browse, look in a database for the train controller files, which there it is. Click on that. That's converted it into a YRA file from a bitmap, I think it is. Just double click on that, and there it is. It's done. It's loaded up. Go OK. That'll change, and that's it. That's how I do all my custom images on this software, and using the database for the ECOS. It's really good. Slide that up, and there we go, it's all done. And then we get out of edit mode. That's it.